Perched high on the cliffs of South Ayrshire, overlooking the restless waters of the Firth of Clyde, stand the ruins of Dunure Castle, a place shaped by power, ambition, and fear. Today, only broken walls remain. But once, this was one of the most formidable strongholds on Scotland's western coast. Dunure Castle was first established in the 13th century, built to command both land and sea routes. Its dramatic position was no accident. From here, its lords could watch ships crossing the Clyde and control access along the Ayrshire CST. By the 15th century, Dunure became the principal seat of the Kennedy family, one of the most powerful and ruthless clans in southwest Scotland. At its height, the castle was a symbol of authority, stone walls rising directly from the cliffs, protected by the sea on three sides. Among the most famous figures linked to Dunure was Archibald Kennedy, known to history as Bell the Cat. He earned this nickname after boldly confronting King James III over the king's corrupt advisors, an act few nobles dared attempt. Archibald later became Earl of Cassilies, ruling from Dunure during a time when loyalty to the crown was dangerous and political rivalry often ended in bloodshed. The Kennedys were feared throughout Ayrshire. Their power was enforced not just by law, but by violence. Beneath the castle lay a deep, windowless dungeon. Local legend tells of a Covenanter prisoner held here during the religious conflicts of the 17th century. Abandoned in the darkness, he was left to starve. It is said his ghost still wanders the ruins. Visitors have reported strange sounds, sudden cold gusts, and an overwhelming sense of unease near the dungeon entrance, as if Dunure has never truly let its prisoners go. Below the castle cliffs lie natural sea caves, accessible only at low tide. According to legend, these caves were once used by smugglers, bringing contraband wine and goods from Ireland and the Isle of Man, protected by the Kennedys in exchange for profit. Some say secret tunnels once connected the caves directly to the castle above, allowing goods and people to vanish without trace. No tunnel has ever been proven, but the sea still hides many of Dunure's secrets.